Hello everyone, Artsy Girl here, and today I'll be showing you how to make Barbie umbrella. The things you will need are a wooden skewer, some sandpaper or construction paper. This is optional, so you can get some markers to color the umbrella, but if you want, you can use construction paper. The other thing you'll need are scissors and a hot glue gun. So the first step is to cut the paper into the right size circle you want. So, get started. Now that I got my circle, I'm gonna start coloring it. So it's easier after you're gonna do the other stuff. So I made a really interesting umbrella pattern because I kind of messed up. So this will be it. Now all you want to do is cut this skewer just a tad to make it more Barbie-like. Because this is about the same height as her. So we probably need to cut it out. Right? Oh, and sorry about the background noise if my phone can hear that. Birdie. Okay. So you probably want to get a Barbie. You can kind of see. Maybe about to here. I'll cut it. So, Sharpie. Mark dot the place. Create a little tiny mark right here. Okay, time to cut it. This is gonna take a while. So we're gonna stop the video. So we're gonna pause the video. Alright, so this is about a good height. If you get ready. Come on, no resting now. We're making craft. She can hold it like that. So that's about a good height. So, yeah, we measure. Alright, now you want to get your little umbrella part, or the top of the umbrella part. And you want to get the skewer. So if you cut the sharp part off, then you're going to have to hot glue it on. So let me show you how. So, you're gonna want to put a little bit of hot glue right in the middle, so about probably right there would be good for me. So, put a little pile of glue just to make sure it'll stick in. There we go. And now you want to stick the end of the skewer into the hot glue. Now you just want to let it sit and probably rest on something. Oh. Okay, I'm sorry, I accidentally knocked my phone off. So like I said, you probably want to let it rest on something. Okay, in a second, probably gotta move it out. Here we go. There we go. I just put a tiny bit of extra around it. I put a little extra around it, just to make sure it'll stay. Now I'm gonna rest it on this. There we go, now it's resting on there. And you want to let it sit for a little because, oh yeah, and also be careful with the hot glue, it's real hot. So, if you're really experienced with hot glue, you would know that when it cools a little, it will start to get kind of like moldable. My hands are dirty. And you kind of like squish it, and then once it gets to like that, you want to use your hands and kind of mold it so it'll stay on. So to make sure it's at that point, probably get you either have the skewer or something, and then you can kind of poke at it. So mine is moldable. It's a bit sticky, but I'll still do it. This is what I mean. It gets a bit moldable. Mine's getting kind of hard. Right. So now you just want to let it dry for now on. It's almost getting close because it doesn't really look like it. So you just wave it around like this, blow on it. Right, so let me turn. Alright, now that's fully dried, I'm gonna fold it so it actually looks like an umbrella. I'm probably gonna cut it like kind of like. Okay, so you kinda wanna fold it like that, and you wanna do it around the whole umbrella, everywhere you can do it. And after you go all the way around, here it's pink. Well, I don't really know what to do after it. It's making an umbrella, but I hope it works out good. So what I mean, you do that, let it go. That, let it go. This, let it go. See? Right. Now you kind of want to push it down. Push it down a bit. Put it down for a minute. Not too long. Not hard, but lightly. For a little. And now, push it up a bit. It's nice and fluffy. And it's done. Okay, I just thought about something for the umbrella. You know how some umbrellas usually have those little metal things to keep it in shape? I'm gonna take the rest of this wooden skewer, I'm gonna put under it. So I'll see. So after, I hope you can see how you can do it when I put it in. There, first one. Hey guys, I didn't see you there. I hope you liked today's video, and please like and subscribe. It will really help me and my friends out. Whew. I think this is a nice place to rest. Nice and fluffy. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Here we go. Nice, it's my favorite book. Reading my book. It's such a nice day. I kind of wish I had an umbrella. Maybe I can ask Sam if I can borrow her umbrella. I mean, I think she's pretty chill. Go back. There we go. Oh, it came out. Let me just. Here we go. Hey, Sam. Hey, Sam. Hey, Sam. Oh, hey, hey, sugar. Sugar? Thanks for calling me sugar like we always used to do when we were kids. But I just want to ask a question. What is it? Can I borrow your umbrella, pretty please? I'm so hot, I can't even talk. She wanted. Okay, my purse. Oh, okay, I'll fix that later. But anyways, please, 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 please. Sure, I guess. Just take it. You can take the sign with you if you want. Thanks.
I love you, Fred.
Don't forget to ask to do with a